that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming videos. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how I do some cucumber salad. Everything in this recipe is very healthy. I used 2 cucumbers and you can see the difference in the sizes. There was a really big one and there was a smaller one, but they were both about the same length. What I did was I peeled all the outer skin off, which some people still eat it, even with the Persian cucumbers they do. I prefer not to have it on there. But this is 2 cucumbers cut up in what they call coins. That looks kind of like a coin. I also have some green pimento olives. And then, what I did to peel them was I used a regular peeler. Then I used the knife to cut them up. And then I also have this, it's called Garlic Expressions. This is one of my favorite all-time marinade / salad dressing. This recipe is really good for diabetics. The cucumbers help to eliminate sugars and water from your body. Even though they're loaded with water, they help to flush your body out. The same thing with the olives. They help to produce insulin, is what I'm told. You can go on the internet and look it up and get all the information. And also, garlic is really good for you. And also balsamic vinegar. And this is a balsamic olive oil vinaigrette. And then it has big cloves of garlic in it. I love this stuff. It is so good. So what I did was, like I said, cut up all the cucumbers. I'm going to add the olives. And then I'm going to add the dressing. And this is going to marinate probably for about a half hour, maybe 45 minutes. It's going to taste so good once the cucumbers marinate in it. And I'm going to use this whole bottle because there's a lot of cucumbers in there. Oh, you see the garlic coming out? Isn't that awesome? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it up a little bit. I may need to open another bottle. So this is my second bottle of Garlic Expressions. These, depending on where you buy them, now every store is different. I happened to get these on sale. They were $5.99 a bottle. They are worth every single penny. Some places they're a little higher, some places they're less. But it is so good for you. And I'm going to add a little bit more to this because it wasn't quite enough to cover the cucumbers. And there we go. That was about a bottle and probably a quarter. And like I said, I'm going to stir them up. I'm going to put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator, and let them marinate for probably about half hour to 45 minutes. That's while I'm making dinner. And this is going to be part of our dinner tonight. So this is something else that I really love. It's called Bragg's Apple Cider Vinegar. And it actually is, it says it's with the mother. And when you buy it, it will have some sediment in the bottom. You always want to make sure that you shake it up really good and mix it through the vinegar. And what I did was I did one of these. It's probably about 2 ounces of the apple cider vinegar, and I put it in this cup, and then I'm going to pour water in there. That kind of helps to dilute the taste because vinegar is very strong. Apple cider vinegar is even stronger. I happen to love the taste of it. Some people do not. I can drink vinegar straight. So that's what I do. I can't drink it real down real quick because that's not my style, but it is great for you. Enjoy those cucumbers. Enjoy your apple cider vinegar. Manja. Make sure that you hit the like button and the notification button so that you can be tuned in to all my updates.